This is weekly chart of Bitcoin. It is price action from 2018 to 2021. This was its previous all-time high at $20,000. Then it made sideways correction, and this correction made bottom during coronavirus at 3,850. After this bottom, new bullish trend was started, and fundamental reason behind this bullish trend was every central bank in world were printing money. But solution for every people in the world was gold or Bitcoin. So people from all over the world were buying Bitcoin. This bullish trend has made its first retracement at $28,000, and now it is making new impulsive move. If this 61,000 resistance zone break, then next target is $89,000, which is 100% projection of this bullish trend. If market make double top on weekly time frame, then seller will wait until it tests this 28,000 support zone. This month we have FOMC. If Fed announced tapering, as he mentioned in previous FOMC meeting, if they start in November, then whole process can be completed till June 2022. If everything happen as he mentioned in last FOMC, then during next 6 months, if Bitcoin survive this tapering process and price of Bitcoin stay above 20,000 or 30,000 support zone, then it will be proven Bitcoin can survive tapering process, because this is biggest test of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin survive entire tapering process compared to gold, then new investor who are waiting for alternate of gold will start buying gold. And if this happen, then nothing can stop Bitcoin from going up to $100,000. But new investor will only buy after tapering process, and previous investor are waiting for how price will react tapering process. On weekly time frame, as you can see clearly, price is making double top. If it make reversal from 61-64 resistance zone, then first support is $42,000. It can make support and continue its previous bullish trend, or if $42,000 support zone break, then next support is 28,000. If during November price goes below $28,000, then it will be clear then investors are dumping Bitcoin on FOMC tapering announcement. For Bitcoin to go $100,000, first it has to survive Fed tapering process. As Fed explained in last FOMC, it is 6 month process. For survival of Bitcoin, it has to trade above 20 or $30,000 support. As you can see on weekly time frame, 61 to 64 is our resistance zone, which is confirmed by closing of these weekly candle. It is second time price is trading at this level. It has been tested and tried multiple times, but price does not close of $61,000 price tag. On last two weekly candle tried 2 times, and these 3 weekly candle have closing below $61,000. So this entire region is resistance zone, and our support is $28,000. In the middle we have $42,000. So these three are our support and resistance. This is daily time frame. The support and resistance are same for daily and weekly time frame. The price rejection above 61,000 is much clearer on weekly compared to daily time frame. Paul Tudor Jones is not the only hedge fund who are buying Bitcoin. There are many other hedge fund managers who are buying Bitcoin. If Bitcoin survive tapering process like gold, then more and more hedge fund will come. All of them are betting if Bitcoin is new gold, digital gold, then first it has to pass tapering test like gold. And people who think Bitcoin will one day become reserve currency, currency of the world, then they can read this book, The Deficit Myth. Until you don't read this book, you will not understand the current monetary system. Previously, we have gold standard which was broken in 71, and now we have new monetary system from 2009 to 2020 where central bank can print as much as money they want. This new monetary theory is not explained in school or universities, but you can read this book because Bitcoin is a monetary asset, it is a currency, and this book will give you all of the answer. Will Bitcoin will survive or not? If you already invested 5 years of your life in Bitcoin, and if you think Bitcoin will be there next 10 or 20 years and your goal is to master Bitcoin, then this book will help you. Recently, Russian Prime Minister Putin said they did not print money. Why did he say so? Because there is already a race for reserve currency. Right now we have dollar as a reserve currency and there is a long waiting list for reserve currency. ECB had euro, Russia have ruble, and China they are want their currency to be reserve currency. Bitcoin can never become world reserve currency because there is a long waiting list. This book will explain you everything what is money printing process and why people are buying Bitcoin. If you do not know modern monetary theory, if you do not want to read this book, if you do not know what is money printing, tapering, and what is reserve currency, then trade based on price action. Based on price action, 61 to 64 is your resistance zone, 28 and 40 is your support zone. If 64 resistance zone break, then next resistance is 89,000. If it is a double top before FOMC, then it will retest $28,000 support zone. Or if Bitcoin price stay above $20,000 price for next 6 month, then it will be confirmation Bitcoin can survive Fed tapering process and every hedge fund manager will start buying Bitcoin. For those investors who are buying Bitcoin from 2018 and think Bitcoin will go $1 million for American and 1 crore for Indians, then they have lots of time. They can read that book or wait when their government pay their government salary in Bitcoin and they pay their tax in Bitcoin, not official currency.